okay. I got your solution right here. This is Demolisher. Try it. It's a knockdown.
Ah, it worked!
Oh wait, I forgot to mention. There's some side effects to it.
Oh my gosh,
You
what?
feel numbness, hallucinations, migraines, and tendency to disappear.
Oh gosh.